Nourish your heart with protein-rich diet. Janet will give us the details. Go ahead.
This is Janet from Top Center. For today's topic, protein-rich prowess, a balanced diet for weight loss with heart conditions. When living with heart conditions, weight loss can seem daunting, but a balanced protein-rich diet provides the key to successfully shedding pounds while supporting cardiac health. The right proteins keep you feeling full, preserve muscle, and manage cholesterol levels, all benefits for your heart and waistline. This guide explores how to navigate protein choices, fiber pairing, healthy fats, and more to tailor your diet for safe, sustainable weight loss. With smart nutrition strategies and the power of protein on your side, you can pursue improved wellness one delicious meal at a time. Navigating heart conditions, dietary considerations for weight loss. Weight loss looks different for those managing heart conditions. Certain medications may affect metabolism or appetite, making weight management more complex. Fluid restrictions could also influence hydration and eating habits. That's why working with your doctor to create a customized nutrition plan is so important. The good news, prioritizing balanced, protein-packed meals provides advantages for both cardiac health and hitting your weight goals. The power of protein, how protein supports weight loss and heart health. Protein offers synergistic benefits for heart health and weight loss. Studies show diets higher in protein enhance fat loss while retaining calorie-burning lean muscle mass 1. Protein also keeps you feeling fuller longer by stabilizing blood sugar and suppressing appetite hormones. For your heart specifically, protein helps lower blood pressure and manage cholesterol when paired with fiber too. Choosing lean, unprocessed protein sources allows you to reap the rewards while avoiding unhealthy fats. Heart-friendly protein sources, navigating lean options. Focus on incorporating lean, low-sodium proteins like fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, and trout provide heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Poultry. Look for skinless options like chicken and turkey breast. Pork and beef. Select lean cuts like pork tenderloin or 96% lean ground beef. Plant proteins, beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh offer cholesterol-free options. Eggs. Enjoy the protein-packed classic in moderation. Aim for a palm-sized serving at meals and pair with nutrient-rich sides. This ensures adequate protein intake for weight loss without overdoing calories or sodium. Fiber and heart health. Pairing protein with nutrient-rich foods. Bundling fiber and protein is powerful for both weight loss and cardiac health. Fiber enhances feelings of fullness, feeding good gut bacteria tied to heart health 3. Pair proteins with fiber-rich whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruits. Enjoy salmon over quinoa, grilled chicken with roasted veggies, or lentil soup with broccoli. Combining satisfying protein and nourishing fiber helps you stay on track with nutrition goals. Heart-healthy fats. Incorporating essential fatty acids, some fats provide benefits. Unsaturated fatty acids help reduce inflammation and unstable plaque in arteries 4. Enjoy healthy fats in moderation from avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Limit saturated fats from red meat and full-fat dairy. Ask your doctor about supplements like omega-3 fish oil for added support. The right fats, paired with protein and fiber, can profoundly impact your heart health and weight loss success. Portion control and heart health. Managing calories with precision. Portion control is key for weight management and takes on added importance for heart health. Overeating can strain your heart and put you at risk for high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other issues. Get in tune with your hunger cues so you can stop eating when satiated. Use a measuring cup or food scale to get to know what standard portions look like. Fill half your plate with low-calorie veggies and a quarter with lean protein. Practicing mindful eating allows you to manage calories precisely while still feeling satisfied. Sodium sensitivity and heart conditions, reducing salt intake. Excess sodium negatively impacts blood pressure and heart health 5. Avoiding packaged and processed foods helps reduce sodium substantially. Rely on herbs, spices, citrus, vinegar, and salt-free seasoning blends to add flavor instead. Opt for fresh or frozen poultry, fish, meat, and vegetables whenever possible. And give canned items a rinse before eating to remove some sodium. With simple swaps and smart meal prep, you can dramatically cut sodium while still enjoying delicious food. Heart-healthy hydration, fluids, and weight loss. Staying hydrated aids weight loss and is vitally important for your ticker. Water prevents fluid retention and strains on the heart. Herbal tea offers hydration with heart-protective antioxidants. While alcohol may negatively impact heart health, an occasional glass of red wine could benefit heart function due to the antioxidant resveratrol. Limit sugary drinks, which can influence blood sugar and pack unwanted calories. Proper hydration keeps your body functioning optimally on your path to improved wellness. Personalized approach, tailoring a protein-rich diet to individual needs. While this guide provides evidence-based nutrition strategies, your unique health history requires a customized approach. Work with your doctor or registered dietitian to translate these tips into a personalized eating plan that works for your condition, preferences, and weight loss requirements. Your healthcare team can prescribe any necessary dietary restrictions while ensuring you get adequate protein, vitamins, and minerals. An individualized eating strategy allows you to feel empowered pursuing heart health and weight loss. Long-term success. Sustainable habits for weight loss and heart health. In review, a few overarching tips set you up for lasting success. Make lean proteins like salmon, chicken, beans, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt the cornerstone of meals. Bulk up on fiber from vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Moderate healthy fats from oils, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. Manage portions and hydrate wisely to support your heart. Customize your diet with guidance from healthcare professionals. With balanced nutrition, regular activity, and sustainable habits, you can accomplish both weight loss goals and optimized heart health, improving quality of life now and for years to come. A protein-rich diet paired with fiber, healthy fats, and controlled portions provides the perfect recipe for safe, sustainable weight loss with heart conditions. By making informed dietary choices that align with your unique needs, you can shed excess weight while nourishing overall wellness. Work with your healthcare team, emphasize lean proteins, bundle in produce, and drink plenty of water. With dedication and smart nutrition strategies, you can cultivate protein-packed prowess that powers profound improvements in heart health and your ideal weight. The journey requires patience, compassion, and customized care, but the rewards are sweet. Each nourishing meal moves you towards renewed health, vibrancy, and confidence. Way to go, Janet! That was another enticing topic on health and fitness. Keep inspired with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center with Janet. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.